Hello, this is Dr. Hopple, and I'm going to help you solve this problem. It says, a school held several evening activities last month. Let me zoom in. A music concert, a basketball game, a drama play, and literacy night. The music concert was attended by 250 people. Attendance at the drama play was 140% of attendance at the concert. How many people attended the drama play? So the first thing I want you to do, if you haven't already done this, is copy this table down. So this table, pause the video, copy it down on your whiteboard or paper. Now I'm just going to point out a few things about the table. So in the left-hand column, we see some percentage of concert attendance. And in the right column, we're going to put the number of people that would be. So for instance, in this first row right here, we're going to figure out what would be 100% of the concert attendees. That would be everyone that attended the concert. So how many people did attend the concert? We can go back and read the problem. It says it was attended by 250 people. So we would put 250 here. Now what's going on in the left column? Because we're trying to figure out, we know that 140% of the people, or 140% as many people, attended the drama night. So we're trying to figure out what's 140% of the concert attendance. So we start out finding 100%, because that's pretty simple. Then we're going to find 20%, and we're going to use that as a building block to get up to 140%. And what we're going to do is find 40%. Once we know 40% and we know 100%, we can definitely figure out 140%. And you might be thinking, well, I know how I could get straight from 20% to 140%. And that's a good strategy too. So if you think you can do that strategy, I would pause the video and go ahead and try that, because I bet you can. Otherwise, we'll work the problem together using this method. Okay. So first, how do I get from 100 to 20 in terms of multiplication or division? Well, I would need to divide by 5, because 20 goes into 100 5 times. So what do I need to do on the right-hand side of my table? I should divide by 5. So what's 250 divided by 5? It's going to be related to 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 250 divided by 5 would be 50. Now let's move on in our table. How do I get from 20 to 40 in terms of multiplication or division? Well, 20 times 2 is 40, because 2 times 2 is 4. So 20 times 2 is 40. So what do I need to do on the right-hand side? I need to multiply by 2. What is 50 times 2? That's like 50 plus 50. That's going to be 100. So if 100% of attendance is 250, 40% of attendance is 100 people. What would 140% be? Well, that's like 100% plus 40%. So we could do 250 plus 100. And that would give us 350. So that means 350 people attended the drama night. So 250 plus 100. And earlier I said maybe you knew how to get from 20 to 140%. So you might have thought, oh, I can just multiply by 7. And you're right, because 50, if we take 50 and we multiply it by 7, what's that going to be? Well, 5 times 7 is 35, so 50 times 7 would be 350. So there are multiple ways to work this problem. Just like with pretty much every other percentage problem we do, percentage and ratios, there's usually a lot of room for creativity. So it's nice to have different approaches that we try. So thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.